since I was a young boy. In this world, everything's as good as bad. Now my father told me always speak a true word, and I have to say that is the best advice I've had. Because something burns inside of me, it's everything I long to be, and lies, they only stop me from feeling free. Oh, like a hobo from a broken home, nothing's gonna stop me. Like a hobo from a broken home, nothing's gonna stop me. I've never yearned for anybody's fortune. The less I have, the more I am a happy man. Now my mother told me always keep your head on, because some may praise you just to get what they want. And I said, Mama, I am not afraid. They will take what they will take. And what would life be like without a few mistakes?
T'as un gros cul. Reste à savoir de qui je parle.
Le cheval, c'est génial.
Fédération française d'équitation.
Le cheval, c'est trop génial.
Le cheval, c'est génial. Le cheval, c'est génial.
J'adore le cheval. Oui, le cheval, c'est trop génial.
Le cheval, c'est génial.
Bon appétit, Cindy. Bon appétit, Cindy. Oui, c'est bon. Il y a bon. Sois pas timide, mange. Ça va refroidir. C'est bon? T'aimes bien? Ouais, hein.